Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Raju Puchala. In this video, let's see how we can insert new rows or the data into an existing table. So sometimes there could be a requirement where you have to add more rows into the table, and let's see how we can do. So let's go back into here, and I'm taking a new tab. So this is the existing table. I'm copying the ID. Select star from, right. So let's see the data. And so this is the existing data. So I would like to order it by the transaction column. So let's do this one, order by the first column. So now we have everything in order way. So we have 6 rows and we have this data, and I would like to add one more new row. So let's see how we can add this one. So I'm going to comment this for a while. So let's see. Insert into is a keyword basically which we use to append the data or like to add more rows into the data. So which table we are planning to this one? So this is the table, right? And what are the column names? Let's see. So we have column transaction, customer, product, and what else? Category and quantity, price, and the date. So these are the columns, and then let's add the values as well. So I would like to add something like 7 as a new value, customer 106, and then let's add iPhone, and it comes under the electronics. You can see I'm just ordering it in order way, adding it in order way. Quantity is 1, the price let it be like $1,000, and the date. So it's a date time stamp, right? Date time stamp of 2024 12/21 time stamp. Okay, so I have added new data, right? So now let me run this one. Okay, the query is running, you can see. Okay, the query ran completed. Let's take a new tab and let's see whether the data is saved or not. Select star from the table name by order by one. Okay, let's see. And now here you can see we have successfully added one row which is seventh, and all the data everything over here. What if you would like to add the data, but if you don't have the data for all the columns actually. So for example, I have only the transaction number, I don't have the customer number name, I don't have the product number, something like that. If you would like to add only few data, let's see how we can do. So again, insert into the table name, right? And so the columns. So I would like to have add a transaction data in the transaction, and customer. Okay, values. I have transaction as 8, customer as 109. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, we have added the data, and let's see how the data looks like. So again, let's write it over here only. Select star from the table. I'm selecting this only line and I'm clicking on run, and you can see. Okay, let's order by one, so that the newly added data it will go to the down. So you can see I have added only one value, and wherever I have added one row. So the transaction ID is 8, and the customer number is 109, and the rest of the columns, so it is updated as null. It's because we didn't pass any data. This is how you can append the data into the BigQuery by using the SQL. Thank you for watching this video.